Here we go, fellas, out here at the little field today. Was gonna try the 500, but boy, I gotta get that tail set up right, man. Don't have to throw that much this way. Might need to adjust my tail servo, slide it back a little bit so I can get throw towards the left hand side. As soon as I do, this bitch starts spinning, boy, and you know it ain't no good deal. So let's get a little flight in with the 450 out here. It's a little wind out here, guys, so be patient with me. Try to do a little bit more of the orientations and stuff like that for you guys. Try to do some figure eights. You guys can see that wind is pitching me, boy, one way. See, there it went, pitching down. I gotta get this K-bar set up a little bit better, guys. See how it pitched up like that? Then it goes drop down, and there it goes back up. Damn. Yeah, that wind it's not good. See? Yeah, it's look at it, I'm up a half, I'm freaking up above half stick, and it's dropping to the ground. And there it go, just pitch back up. I guarantee you that ESC gonna be a little warm fighting with this wind. Yeah, I don't liking that at all.
Perfect training weather.
Boy.
Absolutely not.
You talking about making your shit pitch like a sumbitch? That wind is pitching it up. See how it keeps jumping up? Look at it now, it's dropping down. Look at there.
Yeah, that's why when I was flying my drones, they kept getting farther and farther away from me because that wind was
pitching them. Yeah, it's pitching them blades.
And that's what happens when you fly, you know, SEMA crap.
Yeah. You guys can see that sucker is fighting that wind. It's making it kind of hard for me to do these figure eights, boy. See how it took off that way?
Yeah.
That's that wind. Oh, it ain't me. That's that wind. Pitching the back of the fucking blades. It's pushing it.
Bro.
He said you're a professional. I wish.
That's freaking awesome when it does that. But it ain't awesome when it goes all the way down.
Oh, timer going off. I don't know if I'll be able to do a nose-in landing, guys. I'm gonna try. Tell you, this is hard as hell, man. Of course, I make it look easy though. Thanks for watching.